Amifullest. This is a girl Amifullest. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to click off my canal. So I am here today with another wig, AliExpress wig unboxing. Yes, I have a couple of wigs that I've purchased from AliExpress, yeah, and I don't know, I purchased them. I'm like, okay, I like this one, I want to have this one. I purchased it and I just put it down for the time that I feel like wearing it, because one thing about me is I don't like to, when I want something, I have to be stressing to get it. If I see something I like to get it and then put it down, and then I know it's there. Every time I'm ready to use it, it's there. You understand? So I pick up some couple of wigs from AliExpress. I still have a few more. I'm going to be coming gradually. When I'm ready to use it, I'll come and do unboxing on it, because I'm not going to come and do unboxing on all the wigs if I'm not going to be using it. Because I've noticed my previous videos, I will only come and do unboxing, show you guys the wig, but I'll never really install the wig. And I noticed few of my subscribers have issues with that. They'll be like, you just show us, you didn't really put it on. And so I'm like, okay, this time I'm gonna try to change it to do something better. So I'm like, okay, if I see something I like, I purchase it, I'll put it down. Whenever I'm ready to install it, I will come and share it with you guys, so at least you guys will see how it looks on me. Nobody has to complain. We don't have to go through any stress. You understand? So yeah, but before we jump into this video, please, I would highly appreciate for you guys to give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment box and tell me what you think about this makeup look and the wig itself, okay? And if you guys want to see outfits, all the outfits, follow me on my Instagram, which is Amifullest. The link will be in the description box as well. So the wig I purchased, I don't have glasses on, no, and I'm not yet done with my makeup, so I don't want to put my glasses on. Let me open my AliExpress app. That's the one thing about having a bad eye. You don't have glasses, you can't actually see. You can't actually see very well. Oh God, Lord have mercy. Okay, let me see if I can still find this wig, because it's been a long time since I purchased this wig. Okay, I have to go through my entire AliExpress. Okay, not here, because it's not there anymore. I have to go through all views. And I just purchased some new ones again, which we are coming very soon. It's just, I don't know, I'm just kind of crazy. My friend, she said, you're a little bit obsessed with AliExpress. You should stop all this buying on AliExpress. I don't know if she's saying the truth or not. But let's just leave it like that. Okay, yeah. This is the wig. The wig is it's a human hair. It's a curly Brazilian human hair with bangs. It's a curly wig. So let me show you guys. No, this is this one. This is what the wig look like. Can you guys see? This is what it looked like, and it's very, very beautiful actually. So I didn't want it super long, so I got how many did I have density? Yeah, let me go back to my own personal list, because then I can show you the one. So the one I get is 20 inches and 180 density for the wig, and the price is like 94 euros, sorry. So yeah, I will leave the link for you guys in the description box if you guys are interested. So like I said, I've already opened the wig, because when it comes, I want to open it to show it's what I ordered, and then I'll give the blue check mark. I'll just check it out on the app, like, okay, I have received it, it's in good condition, thank you, move forward. So that's the reason why I always open it. So the wig came with this bag. It was delivered just post NL, normal delivery. Delivery was very, very fast, 15 days. I got it, I think, in 10 days. It was very, very fast. So when you open the wig, it comes with this plastic, as you guys can see. It's written here 20 inches 180 density. And when you open the bag, you have caps. You have false lashes. I have a lot of these false lashes. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep them. You have an extra elastic band in case you want to put it into the wig, so that you have an extra protection. Let's put this one on corner, because I'm not going to use this. You have this cap. I wish they could just send me the dark one, like the black one. Something like this instead of this. But anyway, I'm grateful. Thank you. So you got this and you got the wig. So now let's open the wig. This is my first time wearing it. Actually, I wanted to do a lace front, but because the occasion where I'm going, I wasn't sure that I was going, and I was like, I don't want to come and fix a lace front wig and then that uncomfortableness, I'm not ready for it. So, and I'm happy I have this kind of wig, because then I know, okay, last emergency, I have something that I don't have to glue. So this is what the wig look like. Let's take all of this netting thing off. This my room is so messy whenever I'm making videos. So this is what the wig look like. It's not that like super long, but it's really nice. So this is the wig and this is the bang. The inside, you have an adjustable elastic. You have 1, 2, 3 combs, which is very beautiful. So now let me install this wig. First, let's start by, I'm going to put cap, even though it's not necessary, but I want to put something to protect my hair. I don't want to bring it all the way down. Just like this. I'm going to put something to protect my hair, and I'm going to use my spray, because when I first got the wig, I take it out of the bag and allow it to hair dry. So I didn't actually wash it. I was supposed to wash it, but because I wasn't going to use it, I thought, let me just leave it like that. But now I'm in a hurry. I don't have time to be washing wig. So I thought, let me just use this hairspray, and when I come back the next day, I will go ahead and give it a wash with conditioner. So I just go through the comb with a brush, a little bit more water, because I want the curls to pop. You can use hair mousse, but like I said, phew, the girl is in a hurry. And yeah, so I feel like this one is also very good. Using this water is also very good, because there's oil in it. It smells, the peppermint of this kind of give the wig a really beautiful smell, actually, because it was smelling terrible when it first came. That's the reason why I always tell people to wash your wig. You know, always make sure you wash it with conditioner, just to avoid that terrible smell. Okay, so now we've done. Let's try and fix this bad boy. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, girl. Let me fix it good, I beg. Today, this is the first makeup that I'm actually putting on since the beginning of 2023. I haven't put any makeup on. This is the first. So today, and I have a lot of stuff lying down in the house to do video about. I have so many stuff that I bought from Zalando from last year, December, for Christmas gift that I give to myself. I have so many stuff lying down here. So today that I'm having makeup on, that's why I started this video early, because I know that I will be going out. So today I'm going to be trying to make, I'm going to use one stone to kill all the birds in this house. All the content I'm supposed to film, not all, but I'm going to try to do majority of the contents that I'm going to film, since I have a little bit of time before I leave, and I'm seeing that the weather is getting better. So I'm also thinking, let me just get ready, because where I'm going, the event I'm going, I wasn't too sure. So I'm like, let me just do my makeup, try to film videos, and if the weather end up being bad and I don't go, at least I've already made some content. But definitely I'm going, because now I'm seeing that the sun is shining, it's getting better. So I'm ready to go. So guys, this looks okay. This side needs a little bit of water because good. Father Lord, have mercy on us women. Women. Yes, I feel like this looks so good. Let me know what you guys think. So guys, this is the wig. Oh, this spray makes, this water spray makes everything look so beautiful. And the wig is very, it's not like, it doesn't have a lot of shedding. So it doesn't really shed a lot. And I've been just brushing it, as you say, me and somebody, we are fighting. I feel like this end needs more. So guys, this is the wig. Let me turn around so you guys can see the back. It's looking very beautiful. So this is it. It's a bang. It's a human hair. It's a curly I got water on my face. So guys, let me know what you guys think. Maybe I have to play with it a little bit. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. So this is it, Amifullest. Let me know what you think in the comment box. I hope you all like this video. If you do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll try and leave the link for you guys in the description box. Check the description box. And this is just a quick video. So let me go and finish my look, and I'll be back to show you guys the finished result.